get into custom metadata, we should know what is metadata. So we all know objects. Account is an object, contact is an object, campaign is an object. So we all know about object, and we all know data. So as in this example, we know edge communication, all these are data, TX. But how do we differentiate data? See here, account name. With account name, you know these are all account name. This belongs to billing state. These are phone numbers. That's how they differentiate. It will describe the data. Metadata is nothing but these are all metadata: account name, account site. Metadata is used to describe a data. So we know metadata. Now what is custom metadata? Custom metadata type is an object that is used to describe the structure of a metadata. So now let's see how to create a custom metadata. You go to setup, click on setup, search for custom metadata. So click on new custom metadata. So we'll take the example of the one that is present in the Trailhead. Support tire. Support tires. Click on save. I'm keeping everything as default. So let's create a custom metadata type. So we know what is custom metadata type, but what is the use of custom metadata type? It is used in mappings. Say for example, if you want to keep all the like states, cities and provinces in a particular region, you want to keep an association between them, you can store it in a custom metadata type. In the keeping the mapping, when you want to keep different languages based on locations, then you can create it in a custom metadata, and you can define a business rules. Business rules, like say for example, you can use Apex coding with custom metadata to route a certain payments to correct endpoints. You can use it as a master data, where you store data based on which, say for example, you're calculating a tax or VAT rates based on the data that is stored in the custom metadata. Or you can store some protected informations like API endpoints. API keys of protected information data also can be stored. That is one of the major use cases of custom metadata types. So custom metadata types, you can create a custom fields. You click on new. These are the data types that are available. For our example, we are taking a percent. We'll keep one I'm taking the example of the one present in the Trailhead, as I mentioned earlier. It's about when you go for a shopping, you get certain discount based on the minimum amount that you spend on a product. Suppose if you spend 2,000 rupees, you get certain discount. If you spend 5,000 rupees, you get certain amount of discount. So I'm taking that example here. So now click on person, next. Field label, I'm taking as default discount. And let the length be 2. Save and new. And next the number. Let a minimum spending. Length be 6. Okay. Now I've created custom metadata type and custom fields. Now we'll create In custom metadata type, even the data fields, everything is a metadata, it's not data. So we'll keep the label. We'll create bronze, customer, silver, and gold. Default discount is 0, 0. Silver. And let the minimum spending be 1000. Gold, customer, gold, and let the discount be 15, and the minimum spending is 5000. So now we have created a custom metadata type. This is the custom metadata. If you want to see the details, you click on the custom meta. You see the standard fields, you see the custom fields. If you want to see the values that you have created, bronze, gold, and silver. So now let's see, where can we use custom metadata? Custom metadata type can be used in SOQL along with Apex code to retrieve, update, for updating, but you cannot delete a custom metadata. Custom metadata can also be accessed as a default values, formula fields, flows, validation rules. So now let's see how it can be used in as a default values. Go to the object manager. Let's go to account, fields and relationship. Let's create a new field. Let it be pick list. Bronze, silver, gold. Okay, now you can here set the default value using a custom metadata. Here you have to notice that underscore MDT is the extension. Okay, let's open an account and let's see if the support tier field is created. Let's go to account, create new account. Keeping everything default. See, you can see bronze is the default value for the support type. So that's what we see as a default value. Okay, now let's see how to create. Now let's see how we can use it in a validation rule. Okay, someone is not clear. Okay, let me show you the default value again. So click on, you create some account. When you create a new account, the default value is bronze, which is taken from the custom metadata.